Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is right now trapped here in this most probably ascending triangle here. And we want to talk about the fact that the Bitcoin breakout will most probably happen here within the next 3 days, 72 hours. We want to talk about whether it's gonna be a breakout or whether it's gonna be a breakdown. And even more important, we want to talk with you about the specific price target, which is all the way up here, guys. For sure, do not want to miss out on that, because in the second part of the video, we will show you evidence, proof and data here from Glassnode on chain, which the bears most certainly do not want to see, because within the last few days something extraordinary happened. Guys, make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button to at least 2,000 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. So we are here on the 4-hour candles for the Bitcoin price, and with that recent dump it seems like Bitcoin is trapped here in this ascending triangle. Most likely it could be also a bear flag, it could be another pattern, but this is in my opinion the most likely scenario. What we can see here is consecutive higher highs, and guys, we will come to a very specific price target here towards the end of the technical analysis. And also afterwards we want to show you a very important data point here from the Onchain Data, which most certainly the bears do not want to see, so make sure you stick here until the very end of the video. However guys, look at this, we also have here a declining volume pointing towards that not only the Bitcoin price is getting squeezed, but that a very volatile move is coming very soon. And when I'm saying very soon, I'm talking here towards the end of this ascending triangle. And if we go here with the cursor, you can see that actually within the next 50, 60, 72 hours, the next breakout or breakdown is gonna go down. And as it is with ascending triangles, of course, 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 ascending triangles break towards the upside. So it is here actually in favor of the bulls. However, guys, you remember that we had a massive breakdown here into the ascending triangle, which decreases the success here for the bulls actually maybe towards a 50-50 ratio. And many people were asking us in Telegram, by the way, guys, in the pinned comment, if you click on more, you also find the Telegram link and join the family. We are already like 12,000 people. Many people were asking us if the Bitcoin price is gonna go to break out towards the upside, what is the price target? Well, we can just pull out the school books here from the TA and just measure the swing high to the swing low here from the horizontal resistance to the ascending trend line. And if we do so, no matter when it breaks out, the price target would be whopping 9,200, 9,300 US dollars. Guys, we are not talking about tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, not even next week, but this is the textbook example for the breakout pattern. And if we go to the daily, and this is very important, this breakout target here for the mid run is actually in perfect confluence. Let me auto scale this and let me zoom out here. It is in perfect confluence, and guys, really sit down with the long-term support and resistance we have actually built ever since June or even May 2019. Because what you can see here, we were going here into the blow off top at the 14,000 US dollar level, but whenever we were rejected there, we formed significant support right here, even right here, and then we eventually broke down in October. And afterwards, guys, guess what? It was getting resistance right here, and even right there. So right now, I think in case this is an ascending triangle and we break out towards the upside, I think the next massive support here on the macro timeframes on the daily, if we are zooming out, will be approximately in these areas. Also on the VPVR, we have a big resistance here. First of all, I want to know from you guys, what do you think before we go here into that very compelling and important data here on chain, which I already told you the bears do not want to see. I want to know from you guys, do you think this ascending triangle here is going to break out to the upside or to the downside? Click the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now and let us know your bias right now. And that being said, guys, I really want to go into the on-chain data. You know we are talking about that every single day here on our channel, and right now I'm here referring to glassnode.com. It is also in the pinned comment. You get a completely free account or even an advanced account if you want advanced data, but there is also a free account. Click this link and then go to sign up here on the top right corner. However, this is the percent supply and profit. So this one pulls from the Bitcoin blockchain. Let me in fact read that for you, because they phrase it here in very easy words. The percentage of the circulating supply and profit, or the percentage of existing coins whose price at the last time their last move was lower than the current price. So this one pulls you from the Bitcoin blockchain very important data, and it actually calculates you what percentage of the circulating supply, 80 million Bitcoin, right now is in a profit or in a loss. And of course, you know the very famous quote, we were also quoting it a lot of times here on our channel, the market is designed to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people most of the time. So every once in a while, the market goes and it takes the most amount of money from most amount of people most of the time. It washes out the weekends, and this happens in every single bear trend. In fact, guys, let's go back here. In 2012, you can actually see whenever this one was going below 50%, it's the break-even point. This was exactly the moment we hit the low. So in this exact moment, it was only 2 or 3 weeks when the majority of holders and traders were holding and trading in a loss. This was the moment we hit the low for the Bitcoin price and we went up into the bull market. And the next time here in 2015, one time we dipped here below the break-even point of 50%, taking the most amount of money from the most amount of people most of the time here. And look at this, guys, here in the third cycle here in 2018, 2019, you remember the famous dump here down to $3,150, which was so far, and we actually also believe so, the low for Bitcoin here, and the Bitcoin price was off to the races to $14,000, as you can see it right here. And now something very important and actually also unique happened. The first time here in the history of Bitcoin within one cycle, if this is one cycle, and we actually truly believe so, the Bitcoin price went for a second time here. Look at this, for a second time below the break-even point, meaning that more than 50% of the circulating supply of Bitcoin was here trading and holding in a loss for the second time, and then the Bitcoin price just smashed above it again. And this was a very good sign. First of all, one good sign is actually that the most amount of people here, actually 52% was trading and holding in a loss, whereas 48% were trading and holding in a profit. And the most important thing is all this happened here actually at a price level above the previous low of $3,150. And this is what I consider a very bullish thing. However, guys, remember, please remember that we have a lot of exogenous risks out there, and ascending triangles can break to the downside. Really, it is very important how is the market going to open, because right now, unfortunately, we can still see some positive correlation of Bitcoin towards the stock markets. So we have politicians, we have economic events, we have the virus, many exogenous factors determining here the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. However, guys, we truly believe that in the mid and in the long run, the Bitcoin price will decouple. But guys, we still think a breakout to the upside is more likely. We will be really looking forward to what you guys have said in the poll. And also, guys, please go down here and comment down below your thoughts, your specific price target for the breakout or for the breakdown, and we will try to address every single comment from you guys. And of course, guys, we cannot stress it enough. We are so happy for every single one of you. You are supporting us like crazy, so smash up the like button. We are right now always getting like 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, even sometimes 4,500 likes. So thank you so much for that, guys. And also here, scroll down to the pinned comment. We have a Glassnode link, and we have also $202 completely for free on Bybit and Phoenix. So make sure you click these links. If you're an experienced trader, you can get $202 completely for free by clicking these links, making an account, and depositing 0.2 Bitcoins. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Click the subscription box right here and click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And that being said, we will see each other at the next one of MMCrypto already tomorrow. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.